McNamara, one of the senior inventors in the IBM Hursley lab. And today I'm with James Mills, director for TMaxSoft. How are you, James?
I'm very well, thanks, John. How are you?
I'm very, very well. It's great to talk to you.
Thanks for having me.
It's my pleasure. So today we're going to have a wee chat about TMaxSoft, their solution, how they use the IBM Innovation Centre. But first, before we get into that, James, you want to say who you are, what you do, and what TMaxSoft does?
Okay, so my name's James Mills. I'm sales director for TMaxSoft UK. We're a Korean company by heritage, and I think the main product that people would hopefully know us for is Tibero. So Tibero is an Oracle compatible database, which means that applications running on top of Oracle can be easily moved over to Tibero. It looks and feels like Oracle, so anybody used to administering Oracle will have no problem picking up Tibero, and more importantly, it's priced sensibly and the licensing is very transparent.
Wow, that sounds fantastic.
Yeah, well, I mean, I forgot to mention, we have about 1,000 clients using this in Korea. So all of the Korean companies you're familiar with, Kia, Hyundai, LG, are all clients in Asia.
That's a pretty good fan base.
Yeah, not bad, is it?
So James, in that case, can you tell us what initially led you to engage with the IBM Hursley Innovation Centre?
Yeah, so we, I'm trying to think how far it was now. It was probably beginning of the year, but we wanted to achieve a global certification on your solution directory for Tibero, because we support Linux on Power, which is obviously part of the story for the Power team. So we engaged with you to make sure that you guys were happy with what we said is actually the case. So we started some work down in Winchester or Hursley, and went on from there.
Marvelous. So can you tell us a bit more about engagement and what facilities that you used in the Innovation Centre over here in Hursley?
First of all, I'd say anybody go down to Hursley. It's a wonderful place for a start. It's a very interesting building, lots of interesting things to see. There's an IBM museum, which is just worth the entrance alone. After the initial meeting everybody, we managed to do most of the work through remote working, which was really, really useful. So I think the place is worth a visit, but we were able to do most of this from our offices after we'd made the initial meeting.
Very good. So what kind of facilities did you find most useful? Was it the access to the hardware, or the resource in terms of skills and people?
Yeah, so I mean, first and foremost, we had access to all sorts of really high spec hardware, Power 8 hardware, which is something that we really wanted to work with and just put our software through its paces and just see what performance we could get out of there. The main benefit of dealing with you guys is the actual people. So if I can, I'd like to name check them. So we originally worked with Ross. Ian has been a great help, as has Stefan and Adam and Kieran as well. So everyone has been really, really helpful, friendly, and experts. So that's the main benefit of dealing with you guys.